Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Joel Wanasek's kick and bass trick. Joel Wanasek is a metal sound engineer who has been working with such great metal bands as Machine Head, Ice Nine Kills, Voila, and many more. Also, Joel Wanasek is a co-founder of Nail the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing and mastering metal music. So, if you want to learn from Joel Wanasek on mixing metal, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. In our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Joel Wanasek's kick and bass trick by using track spacing. First of all, let's have a listen to our mix. On our bass bass, we're gonna be using track spacer, then we have to engage sidechain on our track spacer, and we have to sidechain our bass to our kick. And in my case, I am sidechaining our bass bass to our kick bass. So here I'm using a ratio around 20% and I'm using high cut filter to cut all highs of our bass around 100 Hz. So I'm leaving only lows here, and our kick will be ducking our lows to make our low end sound clean in our mix. Let's have a listen to our kick and bass only, with and without track spacing. So, by using this simple trick, now you know how you can tame your low end in any mix. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn from Joel Wanasek on mixing metal, please don't forget to check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. And see you next time.